There we go. Oh, she's stuck in there. Come on, get out. Get out of the dryer. Show your butt the other way. She literally cannot get out. You have to get out the same way you got in.
I'm getting your hips. I'm getting your hips this way. Alright? Now you can't push it. It's gonna hurt, but push. Push.
How'd you get in? Get first. You're getting first. Oh shit, don't do it. There's a foot. How'd you get in there? Get in the same way you got out. Maybe if you pee, it'll help slide out.
Wait. Alright, come on. Wait.
You almost got it.
Oh my god. This is fucking hilarious.
Give me your hand. My hand. I'm trying to help you out.
You have to rotate your butt. Pull your butt in. Pull your butt in.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, pull your butt in and push that leg out. There you go.
I see it. So it's like, okay.
I'll take that chat.
Oh my god.
You're recording that, right?
Absolutely.
That was recording.
You're not in it. Just her legs. I want to cover her face.
You gonna want me a little high?
Yeah, baby.
I hate this.
Come on.
I am never getting in the dryer again.
You gotta squeeze your butt out first. No, pick your butt up and get out of the hole. Lay down and pick your butt up.
Dude, we are so YouTube in that shit.
Pick your butt up.
I cannot think when I cannot breathe.
Hey, give me your hand.
I cannot breathe.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
No, what you gotta do is put your head back in there. Put your head back in there. Put your head back in. All right, now scoot your butt up over the rim.
It's not that easy. Oh, shit.
Come on. Lay down sideways and scoot your butt up out of it. Don't knock the trash can over.
How did I get in here?
God help you, I have no idea. I'm gonna do a shot too, but hold on. I gotta she can't get out.
Come here, hold on. Alright, so here, come here.
Yeah, you gotta lift your butt up.
Lift your ass. Put your legs down.
Put your legs down. John, hey, he's gonna pick your butt up.
Listen to me. All you gotta do is keep your legs down. Lift your ass up. Lift your ass up.
Hey, put your knees on the other side, Toots. You want your knees on the outside.
Get myself out.
Alright, fuck it.
We're just gonna have a long ass YouTube video.
That's probably not how you're gonna get out, but
I mean, maybe if you fall forward.
I cannot breathe.
Fall forward.
Breathe for a second. Back the fuck up.
that's
Matt, back up.
Fall forward.
I will throw you.
Fall forward.
Alright, that's not gonna work.
No. Lay down. Let John pick your ass up and pull it on the other side. All right. Pick your ass up and pull it on the other side, John.
ta-da! That's everywhere.
Don't ever scare me to get in the trash can. I mean, this fucking dryer again.
Yeah, the trash can.